What's the deal, Pickles?
You really gonna say that every time?
Yes.
Okay.
We are back out in the shop, but we're not going to be staying here. Due to inclement weather, we're going to go over that here in a minute. It is currently 26 degrees here in the shop. That's not a good feeling. Not even going to bother firing the heater up because we're not going to be in here today.
That's right, it's a snow day. We took the opportunity to debut a build that we've been holding out on you. We'll go over that here in a little bit. We're not going to be messing with the cross cart today. But that being said,
let's get after it.
Alright, with all this snow, I decided I'd bring out the toy that I haven't showed you yet. I got this 1998 Sea-Doo Mini Z. They are actually powered by a go-kart style motor. It was a centrifugal clutch. So I decided I put a torque converter on there. I mean, I'm 200 pounds, so I need a little more oomph than a child does at 80 pounds. Still got the factory style exhaust on it, just to keep it quieter. And as you notice, there's wheels on the front of this thing. Well, I took the skis off of it, made some spindles. I had the footage, but I don't know where the footage is of me doing that. Well, let's go have some fun with this thing.
People are looking at us so hard.
The Christmas tree's on fire. Santa's holding.
He's got to learn how to steer that thing. He's got to get away from that ditch, boy. I wish I still had the skis.
Ready?
Are you ready?
I'm not ready. I get the feeling I'm about to do.
Hey Sam, you want to ride it? That's why you're coming out here, ain't it?
What? Any last words?
Oh shit! Because they want presents inside. This year I'd be so mad. I've been bad, got cold head, is sitting under my tree. I think that my Christmas has died. This is not a Christmas. This is not a Christmas song. This is not a Christmas. This is not a Christmas song. This is not a Christmas. This is not a Christmas song. This is not a Christmas. This is not a Christmas song. When I was just a boy, Christmas brought so much joy. Couldn't wait for the presents and laughter. I couldn't sleep late at night, looking for Santa with lights.
We're going to try this camera right here. If it doesn't work or if it's all shaky or whatever, I'll give it a shot. Seems like it'll stay on there, so we're about to find out.
Me was the answer, 'cause on Christmas I feel joy, and I turn back to a boy. The answer is to stay young forever. This is
Oh man, this little thing is fun. It is not fast by any means. It's a lot faster than the Snowmobile quad that I built a few months ago. And it's better equipped for it. Like, it actually looks better. It doesn't look like a lawnmower. Well, it turns out that the no Snowmobile is equipped for snow. So this is awesome. This is wide open throttle, and I think we tested it out and we got 25 miles an hour out of it. I've got so much snow in my lap.
Next victim.
When I was just a boy, Christmas brought so much joy. Couldn't wait for the presents and laughter.
Use your boots as mud flaps. Oh shit. I got something for him. I got it right now. Got him.
Me and John forgot to film an outro, so here it is. So that thing was an absolute blast to ride. It was not the fastest thing we've ever built, obviously, at 25 miles an hour, but considering what it could do, we were more than happy with it. Had a great time riding it. Our neighbors enjoyed it. All in all, it was just a great day. We never get the opportunity to ride in snow. We barely ever get snow in our part of North Carolina. So it was just, all in all, a great time. Is a rare opportunity, so. But just as quickly as the snow shows up, it's gone. That's how it is out here. But if you haven't already, you can like and subscribe. Make sure you use the links in the description to pick up a t-shirt from Mini Bike Apparel, as well as a RattleCan Customs t-shirt from Stover Customs. And until next time, y'all get up, get out there, and get after it.